welcome back to my channel, NapturallyCoily. It's your Betty, and I know it has been forever. The last time I posted was unfortunately March of last year, either March or May, but I think that it's March. And I know it has been an entire year. However, I am back and I am ready. I am relaunching each of my brands. So if you go over to my vlog channel, you'll see a new video, and then there's this one, and I intend to be consistent this time. I think the last video on this channel was posted in late March. I was preparing for graduation and my life into adulthood, like really getting into adulthood, and I was all over the place, and I just had to focus on what was going on at the time and figuring things out. Because the truth about the matter is, leaving college is a very complex time. And if you're going through that right now, I just want you to know that you will figure it out. And for those of you who made it through, join me in reassuring those who are going through it now that they will make it through. Anyways, I wanted to come on here because I wanted to update you guys about the brand and what's going on. And I said, well, I have to take down my hair, and so I would come on here and do a chit chat. It's gonna be a tutorial, a silent one at least. I'm simply putting my hair into a high puff. So as you guys can see, my hair I came on just how it has been for the last 2 days. My hair was in one. When I would go to walk, I would brush my edges and put this down just to look a little better. And I kept it like this. About a week ago, my husband and I moisturized my hair because it was dry. And yes, I have a husband. If you want to know more about that, definitely go over to my vlog channel and you can find out more about that there. But I moisturized it like we did the LCO method. Having him here is a very good help to me and keeps me on top of my natural hair game. That's how come I can tell you guys that, you know, I'm back and I'm ready to do this. I do apologize to the people who were commenting and asking, you know, where I have been and, you know, where I am, etc., etc. I checked the comments actually this week. And I was like, oh wow, people kept subscribing to the channel. I'm almost to 1,000 right now. And when last year, I think I was at maybe 700. But despite me not posting, people still commented. I mean, not commented. They did comment, but they subscribed. So I was like, okay, Tasia, we have to get back on here. We have to get back out there. With the LCO method, we used, it's not in here. We used the Cantu leave-in used prior. And we actually did not even do the O. Before this we did, and that is why if you look closely you will see flakes in my hair. It's because the product is flaking at this point. But now that I'm thinking about it, we just did the LC. We did liquid and cream because the oil that we used for the LCO had finished. So I am actually, it is like 3:30 right now, and I am actually about to go on Zoom because I was invited by my alma mater, Bristol Community College. They have a women's center, and they invited me to speak because they deemed me a woman that inspires. So I'm very honored about that. Thank you, BCC, and shout out to my mentor at BCC, Robert Delalue, Coach D. When asked if he knew anyone that was inspirational, he gave me that hookup. So I'm very grateful for that. So I have no idea what I'm about to do with my hair. My husband loves natural hair, so I have been making the special effort to wear my hair out. I haven't worn a wig since before February. I want to say it, since before February. And you really can't argue with someone who says, I love your natural hair, and then when you say, but it can be exhausting, they say, well, I'll help you, just teach me. Like, you cannot argue with that. So I've been wearing it more. I love my hair, but I've been growing more into embracing myself naturally. So that's how my journey has been going thus far. This one seems to have a knot at the end, so you see I'm trying to like slow down a little bit because I don't want to burst the ends of the hair, so I'm trying to detangle it as best as I can. And this is what we have. However, if you've made it this far, then you get to hear all about now. So NYU, Naturally You, the cosmetic line. So it's beauty in hair, and we are going to be releasing NYU in the near future. But we are really taking our time with this. We have been doing research for months. We have been actually making the products, testing the products on my hair and my husband's beard, his hair, like all of that. And for anyone who might want to throw shade, that's when he didn't get the haircut for quarantine. He had a little beard going on, so we did it there. But he don't wear no beard usually. So this is what my hair looks like after using the Cantu leave-in. You know, you're always searching for that twist that did not get unraveled. So this is what it looks like. Now, my problem is my hair is light. So when other people do twist outs, they tend to be able to just wear it. Mine is like feather light. Mine sticks up easily. And the reason it stayed elongated this much is because, as you guys saw, I had it in a twist and then I pulled it up in one, and then I also bent over the ends. Very important. So this is one of the ways that you are able to keep your hair more elongated than usual, all while maintaining moisture and whatnot. So as y'all see me here, I'm actually trying to decide what I want to do with it. I am famous for my high puff, which I am actually considering going back to right now because I cannot wear it down like this. For the high puff, and I will be washing my hair this weekend, so that's why I actually recorded this video, because I did not want the hair washing video to include all of this chit-chat stuff. I just want that to be more into what I'm going to be doing. I'm actually going to be using one of our conditioning soap. We made it, so y'all are going to get a little sneak peek into that. The molds, we've just been using like any molds lately. I should have taken a picture of my hair before fluffed it up, but hey, small things. But yeah, the mold that we're using, we're just using some flower molds. That's not going to be the final one, so I'm going to tell y'all in advance to just ignore those. We're just using that, you know, to mold it, and so that it's just easier as opposed to having to cut it right now. Now, of course, we still have to decide what shape we want them to be, packaging and stuff like that, which we have already begun, but of course we have to finalize those things, and then there will be the launch. So if you are following me before, and due to me not being on YouTube, we got disconnected, then I now live in Atlanta, Georgia. So all of my naturalistas and naturalistos who are living in Atlanta or surrounding counties and cities, definitely look out for the launch of NYU. We have big plans, okay? Big plans for the launch of NYU. We're not just launching it online and that's it. Like, that's the end of it. No, we're not doing that. COVID, of course, put a spoke in our wheel, so we have to hold on a little bit, but that just gives us more time to perfect the products, the packaging, and the entire brand of NYU. Currently, NYU does not have its own social media accounts as yet. We are currently working on that, because of course we also want to have content to put up there and not just have you guys following an empty Facebook account. I can't see the back, but I'm pretty sure I need to detangle a little bit more. Again, be gentle. Watch out for those knots at the end. Be patient with your hair. So as you guys can see, it got a lot fuller now. So see that? I come down to the end and then unravel it like that. Everything is so different now, y'all. I don't have I have a tripod here, but I don't have like a good tripod. But I never really bought the expensive stuff. I was a college student at the time, but I actually am working on getting back all of these stuff right now. So bear with me. As you guys can see right now, I actually have you my medicine cabinet. Okay, y'all, I have my medicine cabinet. And I hope that y'all like my bathroom decor. It's actually for sale on my website. There are a few different sets. That's the word. A few different sets. So you can go on my website, look in the bathroom decor section, and you can get either this same one or another one. With that being said, that information will also be in the description box below. What you see me doing right now is just adding some volume to where it's gonna be slicked, And when I say slick, I'm not about to go into the literal slicking, you know, of the gel, but that's the part that's gonna be going up. So I'm gonna just not detangling it because it's not tangled, and I don't want to do too much to the front because I am actually working on a frontward look. If my husband was at home, he would help me put it up. That's always a good help. Y'all will see why. But I'm actually avoiding putting too much product in it right now, knowing that I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. So we have the headband that I cut. So I went ahead and, you know, I was whole and I looked for the part where it connects, and I went ahead and snipped it. If I was going to slick it, I would have put on some kind of gel at this time, but since I'm not gonna do that, what I'm gonna do is tie this like this and make sure everything is good. This is where my husband comes in, because then I hold this part and he pushes up the back. But no husband, no problem. Not for me, of course. I have a problem, okay? But you can go ahead and roll it. So me, I'm looking at pushing the hair toward a forward look. So that's why you see I'm not carrying the front backward. But you can do that, and then you go ahead and tighten right there. You want to be careful not to like catch your hair in the knots, because you don't want to go ahead and damage your edges. I'm not trying to put too much strain on my hair at the moment at all. I just want to go ahead and get this look that I have right here, and then I'm gonna use the pins so you can fluff it with the pick. Fluff it with the pick, and then I did not slick anything, but if you're curious, like I didn't brush it or anything. I'm gonna be in front of the camera, y'all. This is a front hair style, okay? That's what the back looks like. And this is the front. Look at this long. This one got so long. It stayed so elongated. But yeah, you can arrange this to suit you. And then I will take these pins and look at that little thing behind there sticking up. And I will go ahead and pin this look like this. This is really a freestyle pinning, so it just matters what look you are going for. When I traveled recently to North Carolina, I had done this mohawk, like a mohawk style, and I really liked it. So that's what I'm kind of going for again. That's why I told you like I'm bringing the hair forward from the back, because the mohawk hairstyle actually is not really for the, like, up here is short. It's more of a run over to the front type of hairstyle. And I actually like how long these ones became. So I'm going to keep it like that. I'm not going to do much more to it because I'm pretty satisfied with the look. I've just been learning to embrace my natural hair for what it is and not hold it to any other type of hair standard. Again, you just fix yours however you want. But this is a simple, easy style from a twist out to this. Hair could do with some slicking up, but again, we weren't going for perfection. So this is the end look. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys are happy to have me back. I'm very, very happy to be back, and I would like to show genuine appreciation to all of my subscribers, especially those who are there from before. If you're new, no problem. Love to you same way. Be sure to go to my channel, NapturallyCoily.com. NapturallyCoily.com. It will take you to my channel, TajaFoy.com. But if you use the URL, NapturallyCoily, it will take you to the specific page. In the blogs and on the page itself should have a subscription box. Go ahead and subscribe, because when we are sending out samples for Nayu, you just might get picked to be one of our lucky recipients. More love. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's get Naturally Coily to 1K.